Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to explore a topic that's both fascinating and thought-provoking: the ethics of artificial intelligence. As technology continues to advance, we're facing increasingly complex and challenging questions about the role of AI in our lives. From autonomous vehicles to predictive policing, the decisions made by AI systems can have a profound impact on individuals and society as a whole. So, let's dive in and explore some of the key ethical issues surrounding AI. First and foremost, we need to ask ourselves, what ethical principles should guide the development and use of AI? Some argue that AI should be designed to prioritize the well-being of human beings, while others suggest that AI should be given more autonomy and freedom to make decisions. Proponents of the former view believe that AI should be developed to serve human interests, and that its development and use should be guided by ethical principles such as respect for human dignity, non-maleficence, and beneficence. In contrast, advocates of the latter view argue that AI should be given more independence to make decisions on its own, without interference from humans. This raises questions about the extent to which AI can be trusted to make ethical decisions on its own, and whether humans should retain ultimate control over AI. Another crucial issue is transparency and accountability. How can we ensure that AI systems are transparent and that their decision-making processes are understandable to humans? And who should be held responsible if an AI system makes a harmful decision? One approach to this issue is to develop tools and techniques for auditing and explaining the decision-making processes of AI systems. This would enable humans to understand how decisions are being made, and to intervene if necessary. Additionally, there is an ongoing debate about the appropriate legal and regulatory frameworks for AI. Some argue that AI should be treated as a form of intellectual property, while others suggest that it should be regulated as a public utility. Of course, one of the most pressing concerns about AI is the potential for bias and discrimination. As AI systems are developed and trained by human beings, they may inherit and even amplify existing biases and inequalities. For example, a facial recognition system that is trained primarily on images of white faces may not accurately recognize faces of other races. We'll explore the ways in which AI can perpetuate these injustices, and consider strategies for addressing them. One approach is to ensure that the data sets used to train AI systems are diverse and representative of different groups. Additionally, there are ongoing efforts to develop algorithms that are specifically designed to mitigate bias and discrimination. Finally, we'll tackle the thorny question of moral agency and responsibility. Can AI systems ever be truly autonomous, or will they always be under the control of their human creators? And if AI systems can make decisions on their own, do they have moral obligations and responsibilities like human beings? We'll delve into the philosophical debates around these issues, and consider what the future might hold. Some argue that as AI becomes more advanced, it may develop a kind of moral agency and responsibility, while others suggest that such an outcome is unlikely or even impossible. Well, that's all for this video on the ethics of artificial intelligence. I hope you found it informative and thought-provoking. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And as always, thanks for watching.